Okay, listen to me. Just you take down the problem. We are going to do one problem here. Problem here. For example, one problem is saying like that. We are supplying the steam into the turbine.
The voice is not clear, sir.
Now you check it. Hello. Okay. Hello. Right now it is
It's
okay.
better, sir.
Oh, okay. Right then.
Yes.
Yes. We are going to do one problem here. The problem is that when turbine is supplied with steam with 10 bar in dry saturated level with 10 bar and dry saturated. What is the problem? When turbine is supplied with the steam of 10 bar pressure and dry saturated manner, and when it is leaving the turbine with 0.8 bar pressure with 0.8 bar pressure. So find out work output of turbine. Work of turbine. This is the problem. You will not give anything. Simple. You just give the entry and exit pressures of steam for the turbine. What he has given in this problem? Nothing he has given. Simple. He has given inlet pressure like 10 bar, exhaust pressure as 0.8 bar. He has given. Now what is asking to find out is asking to find out work done of a turbine. For example, if you take this as a one position one, if you take this as a position 2, if you take this as a position 1 before the turbine as a position 1 for this problem, now here the heat of the steam at 10 bar will be h1 and also is saying dry saturated, so that h1 is equal to hg. Is it right? Hello. When he's
Yes,
saying,
sir.
when he's saying dry saturated na, so that we can take h1 is equal to hg here, and also h1 is equal to hg, and here also hf plus hf plus hf plus hf plus hfg.
Okay, sir.
hf plus hfg. Now what is the condition here? H1 is equal to hg and hf plus hf1 plus hfg1 is formula for state 1. Now what is state 2? State 2 is 0.8 and he has not said anything. He has said nothing. That means it is whether dry saturated or unsaturated. If you don't if you not provided with any data, you have to defaultly take it as unsaturated. Exit position should be what? Unsaturated. Unless
Saturated.
unless until he said in the problem. ఒకవేళ వాడు ప్రాబ్లం లో ఎగ్జిట్ కూడా ట్రై సాచురేటెడ్ అని చెప్తే తప్ప ఆడేం చెప్పాలంటే మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? డైరెక్ట్ అన్సాచురేటెడ్ అని తీసుకోవాలి. సో దట్ ఎట్ పాయింట్ టు H2 విల్ బి వాట్? H2 is not equal to gas. So it will be HF2 plus X2 into
X into HFG.
HFG2. X2 into HFG2. This is a
HFG2.
state problem. Now what is asking to find out is asking to find out work of a turbine. Is asking to find out what? Work of a turbine. But what is work of turbine? Work of turbine is equal to inlet heat minus outlet heat. H1 minus H2. WT will be what? H1 minus H2. But here problem is that from steam tables, what we can get from steam tables, we can get H1 is equal to Hg value directly we can get. H1 is equal to Hg value directly we can get. And also in the case of H2,
Okay.
we can get HF2, we can get HFG2. But where from you are getting this X? That is our problem here. If you want to find out H2, if you want to find out work done, we need H2 value. If you need H2 value, we need X2 value. But the X2 value is not available in the steam table. X2 value is not available in the steam table. Then we have to use the concepts of Rankine cycle to find out the X2. So I will explain how to find out. First, what we'll do, we'll take the values of 10 bar and 0.8 bar from the steam tables. What are the things we can get from there? Okay, now what are the things we can get from there? We'll take the values. Okay, now just you take the values of the steam tables here. Just you take the values of the steam tables here. Okay, now what are the things we can take at 10 bar? At 10 bar. Is all of you having the steam tables, sir? ఏదైనా ఒక స్క్రీన్ లో స్క్రీన్ టైప్స్ పెట్టుకోండి at 10 bar. What are the things we need to get? We need to get HF1, HFG1, HG, and also you take the SF1, SFG1 at 10 bar, and also at 0.8 bar. At 0.8 bar, you take HF2 value and HFG2 value, SF2 value, SF2 value, and SFG2 value. Okay, now these are the values you have to take from the steam tables. Okay, na? మరి ఎట్లా మీ steam tables ఉన్నాయా? హలో
yes, ఉన్నాయి సార్.
సార్
చూసి చెప్పండి నాకు వాల్యూస్.
HF1 సార్ 42.0 సార్.
ఏది 42.0 10 బార్ దగ్గర
762.6 sir.
10 బార్ దగ్గర కొంచెం ఎక్కువ. 10 బార్ బార్ దగ్గర ఎంత 762.6 kilojoules per kg. Next, HFG1. HFG1.
FG. HFG. 20.
201.6.
13.6.
Okay, 13.6. Next, HG value.
HG.
277.6.2.
6.2.
6.2.
277.6.2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
277.6.2. Next, what is SF1?
2.138.
2.138.
1382.
2.138. Next, HFG1?
6.583.
6.3.
6.583.
No, sir. Sir, 4.346, sir.
4.3.
SFG. Yes, sir. That one is SG, sir.
Yes, sir. 4.2, sir.
4.446.
Give me 1 minute time. Now you tell me. 4.446.
446.
Okay.
6.
Next, you go for
4.4.
0.8. Now, what is SG value? SG value? SG value also you tell me. SG value. SG value.
6.58.
0.58.
580. Okay. Now you go to 0.8 bar. 0.8 bar, and from there you tell me HFT value. 0.8 bar. From where?
At 0.81.
Hey, from which table you are seeing this one? All these things.
Yes, sir.
Pressure table or temperature table?
Pressure table,
sir.
sir.
That is the thing, man. If you see the temperature table, it will be wrong. What is it? 0.8 bar?
391.7, sir. HF2.
HF2 391.7 kilojoules per kg. Next,
HFG2. 2274.0, sir.
2277.0
74.0.
per kg. Next, SF2.
Next.
SF2.
1.233, sir. 1.233.
1.233 per kg Kelvin.
kg Kelvin.
Next, SFG2.
6.2022.
6.2022.
0 double 2 na
double
Double 2.
same units here. Okay na, these are the available data and this is the useful data for this particular problem. Now we are going to see how we are going to solve the problem. I will explain here. Actually for turbine work done, what is the formula? What is the formula? Turbine work done H1 minus H2. Okay na? Now H1 is very simple. Why? Because H1 is equal to Hg. Directly you take the Hg value. What is Hg value? What is Hg value here? 2,776.2 kilojoules per kg. This is the HF. This is H1 value. H1 value. But we need to go for H2. H2 is different. H2 is it is unsaturated. So that HF2 plus X2 into HFG2. So that we have HF2 value directly. We have HFG2 value directly, but we don't have X2 value. We need to find out the X2 value. So for that, we have to use one logic. What is the kind of expansion we are taking in the turbine? What is the kind of expansion we are taking in the turbine? Hello guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is,
yes sir.
what is the kind of expansion we are taking in the turbine? On which law it is doing expansion? On which law? What law? This is isentropic expansion, ra. Isentropic expansion.
Expansion.
The law of
Expansion.
expansion is isentropic. What is the meaning of
Yes, sir.
isentropic? Before the turbine and after the turbine, entropy will be same. Before the turbine and after
Okay,
the
sir.
turbine, entropy will be same. What is the before turbine entropy? S1. What is the after the turbine entropy? S2. So according to the law, S1 is equal to what? S2. So you
S2.
write according to general law, according to law, S1 is equal to S2. So here again the problem with S1 we can take directly. Why? Because S1 is equal to what? Sg. S1 is equal to what? Why? Because at
SG.
point 1 it is saturated, na? Point 1 is saturated.
sir.
So that S1 is equal to Sd directly. What is the value here? 6.58
5.
kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Now we have to find out S2 here. So that you do one thing. We have the condition that S1 is equal to what? S2 na? So now we are writing
Yes, sir.
S2 is equal to formula SF2 plus
SF2 plus
S2 into HFG2.
SF.
But we know
Yes.
that S1 is equal to S2 na?
Yes,
S1
sir.
is equal to S2. So that instead of S2, you write the value of S1. What is S1 value? 6.582
6.58.
is equal to SF2. What is SF2 value? 1.223. ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
Yes, sir.
What is SF2 value?
1.23.
1.233. Plus we don't know X2. We don't know X2. You
Yes, sir.
keep X2 like that only. But we know SFG2
Okay.
value. What is SFG2 value?
6.2022.
6.2022. Now from there we can
Double.
simply extract the X2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
From this you can simply find out the X2. What is the you find out X2 is equal to what? 6.582 minus 1.233 by
3 by
6.2
6.2.
022.
Yes, sir.
ఎంత చూడండి. How much X2? How much X2?
Just a second, sir. Sir, I got 6.383, sir.
Sir, 0.86, sir.
Right. 0.8 is the
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
means 80% right. అంటే కదా 0.86 0.86 ఎదురా హలో హలో guys.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
X is equal to 0.6. That means
0.86.
Steam is 86% dry. That means
Yes, sir.
86% dry. So now you find out after getting the X2 value, we can simply find out H1, H2 here. What is H2 here? H2 is equal to HF2 plus X2
plus
HF
into HFG2.
so H2 is equal to HF2 is how much? HF2 is how much? This is 391.7 here. 390.7.
HF2, sir.
And let's X2 is 0.86 into HFG2 is how much? HFG2 2274.
Yes, sir.
From this you can simply find out H2 value. What is H2 value? Tell me.
Sir, 2347.34, sir.
2347.34
2347.34 kilojoules per kg.
This is what. So after getting so it is very simple. You can find out very simple. What is WT equal to H1 minus H2. WT is equal to H1 minus H2. Now WT is equal to what is H1 here? This is 277 6.2 minus what is H2? 2347.34. Now what is WT value? Tell me.
Each circuit has a feedback. Any wire may
What is WT value? Hello guys, anybody listening? WT value
Yes, sir.
Sir, 428.86, sir.
428.86 kilojoules per kg.
Kilojoules per kg Kelvin.
That
Oh,
means
kg.
what? For 1 kg of steam, how much it is doing? For 1 kg of steam, it is doing 428 kilojoules of work. The cycle. For 1 kg of steam, how much work it is doing? 428.82 kilojoules.
428.
So in this way, we have to find out the work done. But if you see the problem, what he has given us, simple he has given exit and entry pressure he has given, and all from where we are extracted all this data, steam tables.
Steam tables.
దీని బట్టి మీకు ఏమర్థమైంది? స్టీమ్ టేబుల్ చూడడం రాకపోతే 3 యూనిట్స్ మార్క్స్ పోతాయి. ఎన్ని యూనిట్లు అయిపోతాయి? 3 యూనిట్స్ మార్క్స్ పోతాయి. అందుకనే స్టీమ్ టేబుల్ చూడడం నేర్చుకోండి. ఈ లింక్ పంపిస్తున్నా, ఈ లింక్ ద్వారా మళ్ళీ నోట్స్ రాసుకోండి. మీకైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే అడగండి. విల్ కండక్ట్ స్పెషల్ సెషన్ ఫర్ డౌట్స్. ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే స్టీమ్ టేబుల్ చూడడం రావట్లేదు ఎట్లా చేయాలి అంటే మళ్ళీ ఒక 10-20 నిమిషాలు రేపు కానీ ఎప్పుడన్నా నేను చూస్తాను. టైం చూసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇస్తున్నప్పుడు ఒక 10-15 మినిట్స్ మనము మాట్లాడుకున్నాము డౌట్. ఓకేనా? హలో, ఓకేనా? Now I'm closing this class. I think I hope you got this problem. Okay, ఎట్లా చేయాలో అర్థమైంది కదా. ఇంకొక మనం ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఒక 5-6 క్లాసెస్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం. క్లాస్ చేస్తాము, చేస్తే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఆల్రెడీ డిప్లొమా వాళ్ళు కొందరు ఆల్రెడీ థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేశారు కాబట్టి ఈజీగా ఒక 10 ప్రాబ్లమ్ మనం చేస్తామంటే ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. డోంట్ వరీ. స్టీమ్ టేబుల్స్ రాకపోయినా
ఓకే సార్.
స్టీమ్ టేబుల్స్ చూడడం రాకపోతే వర్రీ అవ్వద్దు, ప్లీజ్ నన్ను అడగండి. నేను మళ్ళీ స్పెషల్ సెషన్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ సెండ్ ద అటెండెన్స్.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.